Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Here we are providing you with daily biology MCQs so that you can have little extra practice for the coming NEET exam and gain confidence for the coming NEET exam. We have already finished revising class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology once, and this is the second time revision of class 11th NCERT biology that is going on. And today I'm going to provide you with the MCQs from the chapter that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. In mammalian embryo, excretory material is stored in option A, placenta, option B, bladder, option C, embryonic membranes, or option D, allantois. Excretory products of mammalian embryo is stored in. The correct answer is option D, that is allantois. Question number 2. Ultrafiltration takes place in option A, blood capillaries, option B, tissue fluids, option C, glomerulus, or option D, urinary bladder. Ultrafiltration takes place in. The correct answer is option C, that is glomerulus. Guys, what are the three processes that takes place in kidney during excretion? Right, first is the ultrafiltration, then is the reabsorption, and then is the secretion. Question number 3. Those animals which excrete a large amount of ammonia are option A, terrestrial, option B, egg laying, option C, amphibious, or option D, aquatic. Animals that excrete a large amount of ammonia as their excretory product. The correct answer is option D, aquatic. And why so? Because ammonia requires a lot of water for its elimination. Question number 4. Similar structure in function to human kidney in amoeba is option A, food vacuole, option B, contractile vacuole, option C, plasmodesmata, or option D, plasma membrane. Similar structure in function to human kidney in amoeba is. The correct answer is option B, contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole has the same function as that of human kidney. And what is that? Elimination of waste products. Question number 5. The urine of a normal man does not contain glucose because option A, glucose in glomerular filtrate is converted to glycogen. Option B, glucose in glomerular filtrate is reabsorbed in uriniferous tubules. Option C, glucose in blood is not filtered in glomerulus. Or option D, the normal blood sugar is fructose. Urine of a normal man does not contain glucose because the correct answer is option B, that is glucose in glomerular filtrate is reabsorbed in uriniferous tubules. Question number 6. Presence of RBC in urine is called option A, anuria, option B, hematuria, option C, glycosuria, option D, ketonuria. The correct answer is option B, that is hematuria, and the name itself reveals it. Hemat, blood, urea, urination, hematuria, RBC in urine, glycosuria, glucose in urine, ketonuria, ketone bodies in urine, anuria, decreased urine. Question number 7. Nephron is also known as option A, juxtaglomerular tubule, option B, seminiferous tubule, option C, uriniferous tubule, or option D, none of these. Nephron is also known as. The correct answer is option C, that is uriniferous tubules. Question number 8. Uric acid is option A, soluble in water, option B, insoluble in water, option C, partly soluble in water, or option D, none of these. Uric acid is. Correct answer is option B, it is insoluble in water. Question number 9. The largest Henle's loop is found in option A, rabbits, option B, humans, option C, desert mouse, or option D, freshwater fish. Largest Henle's loop is found in. The correct answer is option C, that is desert mouse. And this kind of makes sense as well. Why? Because in desert mouse, there's a lot of need to conserve water. And if you can recall, Henle's loop is the major site where reabsorption of water occurs. So if the Henle's loop is large in desert mouse, a lot of water can be conserved, right? Question number 10. Normal odor of human urine is option A, like of bitter almonds, option B, like of pineapple, option C, of some decaying fruit, or option D, ammoniacal smell. Normal odor of human urine is. The correct answer is option D, it is ammoniacal. Question number 11. Which of the following hormones carries out reabsorption of water in kidney? Option A, STH, option B, ADH, option C, ACTH, or option D, LH. Which of the following hormone carries out reabsorption of water in kidney? The correct answer is option B, that is ADH. And what is other name of ADH? Vasopressin. Full form of ADH is antidiuretic hormone. Question number 12. The portion of nephron which is relatively impermeable to water is option A, collecting tubules, option B, ascending limb of Henle, option C, distal tubule, option D, loop of Henle. The portion of nephron which is relatively impermeable to water is. The correct answer is option B, that is ascending limb of Henle. Now remember that loop of Henle has a descending limb and an ascending limb. The descending limb is freely permeable to water while the ascending limb is impermeable to water. Question number 13. Bilirubin and biliverdin are excreted mainly along with option A, urine, option B, feces, option C, sweat, option D, vitamins. Bilirubin and biliverdin are excreted mainly along with. The correct answer is option B, that is feces. Bilirubin, biliverdin, all these are bile pigments. They are secreted along with the bile juice into the GI tract and they are excreted via the feces. Where is bilirubin, or how is bilirubin formed? Right, when the hemoglobin breaks down, bilirubin is formed. Question number 14. A kidney stone is option A, blockage by fat, option B, deposition of sand in kidney, option C, it is a salt such as oxalate crystallized in pelvis, or option D, blockage by proteins. Kidney stone is. The correct answer is option C, it is a salt such as oxalate crystallized in pelvis. Question number 15. Which is false? Option A, nephron excretion, option B, alveoli respiration, option C, kidney osmoregulation, option D, renin enzyme. Which is false? The correct answer is option D is false, renin enzyme. This renin is not the enzyme wala renin. Enzyme wala renin is double N, R-E-N-N-I-N. And what is the role of that renin? Yes, it is used in digestion of milk protein. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of MCQs from the next chapter of class 11th NCERT Biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you are new out here, do go and click that red button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.